Hello everyone, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to disable automatic app updates on App Store. If you don't want your app to automatically update themselves, in this video I'm going to show you how to stop that. This is how to do it. Open your App Store, click on your profile at the top right corner. Now at the bottom, click on App Store Settings. You're going to see an option that says App Updates. Automatically install new app updates. Turn this off. When you do that, your apps won't automatically update and install themselves. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.